Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry if I sound a little funny. I'm actually sick right now, so that's why this video is going up. I'm sharing with you guys how I make cough drops. We had just run out, so I decided to make another batch. You'll see here I used about a cup of sugar, half cup of water. I used some ground ginger. It would also be nice if you had ground cloves. I didn't have those this time, so I didn't. And lemon juice, honey. You could make it how you want it. You could probably add some tea or something too, but this is how I did it. So I simmered this on the stove for maybe about 25 minutes. I would suggest doing it a little bit longer than that, but that's what I did. So anyway, I hope you enjoy it, and thank you for watching.